Most people think they know their county, but they don't. The problem? Many people are told, your council equals your county, your postcode defines your county, ceremonial areas replaced counties. None of this is true. The reality. Britain's real counties existed long before councils. Britain's real counties existed long before lieutenancies. They are permanent historic and geographical units. Administration changes, counties do not. Why it matters? Historic counties still shape identity, geography, culture, sport, maps, and how places relate to each other. Britain makes more sense when you use the right counties. Follow @RealCounties for maps, history, and county facts, told properly.